Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania to experience the Lehigh Gorge Scenic Railway. This is one of the most beautiful train rides in the Northeast and the perfect way to enjoy the Pocono Mountains. The train is arriving at the station, and just watching it in slow motion makes you feel the power and history of rail travel. As the train begins the journey, you pass through forests, cliffs, and the river flowing right beside the tracks. The scenery is peaceful, with rapids sparkling in the water, tall trees reaching over the gorge, and the occasional bridge and trail that hikers use. The Lehigh Gorge State Park is famous for its beauty, but from this train ride, you can enjoy it in comfort while relaxing with your family. We are riding in the dome car coach today. These seats give you a panoramic view through the tall glass windows, and my family was so excited to hop on board. From here, you can see the Lehigh River and the steep mountain cliffs as soon as the train pulls out of the station. It immediately feels like a step back in time. This line was once part of the Lehigh Valley Railroad in the 1800s. Back then, the trains carried coal and timber through these mountains to fuel America's industry. The town itself was called Moch Chunk, and it was one of the busiest coal transportation hubs in the country. Later, it was renamed Jim Thorpe in honor of the famous Native American athlete. Today, instead of carrying coal, the railway carries passengers who want to relive the golden age of rail travel.
Next bridge we passed through was the Coalport Bridge, which spans the former Lehigh Valley Railroad, once owned by Pacono. It crosses over what is now the Reading and Northern Lehigh branch and the Norfolk Southern Railway.
From the dome, the views just keep getting better. My family loved pointing out little waterfalls and spotting wildlife along the riverbanks. This train ride is fun for kids, relaxing for adults, and a wonderful way to spend time together.
Location of the former Hotel Juanita. Built in 1886, the four-story luxury hotel was one of the highlights in the area, boasting 27 elegant rooms as well as dining areas, tennis courts, and an 84-foot bar. Guests of the hotel were able to take in the sights along the Lehigh River anywhere in Pocono.
Tickets for the Lehigh Gorge Scenic Railway are very affordable. Standard coach tickets are around $20 for adults and $10 for children. Dome car seating, which is what we chose, is slightly higher at around $25 per person, but it is absolutely worth it for the views. The rides are usually 70 minutes long and operate on weekends most of the year, with extra daily rides during fall foliage season and around the holidays. You may be wondering when the best time is to visit. The most popular season is fall, when the mountains are covered in bright red, orange, and golden leaves. In spring, you get fresh greenery and fast flowing water. Summer is warm, calm, and great for a day trip. Winter is magical too, especially with the themed holiday trains. So really, any time of year has its own beauty. The Lehigh Gorge Scenic Railway is more than just a ride. It is history, it is nature, and it is family time all wrapped into one. If you are planning a trip to Pennsylvania, this is a must-do experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our travel adventures. See you in the next one.